Alright, welcome to our live webinar. So tayo po ay live sa Facebook and shoutout po sa mga nanonood. So we are going to discuss this powerful online platform na pwede tayong kumita kahit online. Okay, so excited na ba? So are you ready? So ikaw ba ay work from home, no? Na gustong kumita online at para makatulong sa asawa mo, may pambili ka ng gatas kung may anak ka, di ba? Gastos sa school kung meron kang pinapaaral, di ba? Ikaw ba ay OFW no gusto mong magkaroon ng another source of income kasi alam naman natin na marami tayong mga binabayaran, bills, no? Walang katapusang bills. Siguro sa inyo, ang iba diyan is mayroong utang, no? And also to save money, no? Napaka-importante na mayroon po tayong nasa-save na pera para sa mga hindi natin inaasahan ng mga emergency. Okay ba yun sa'yo? So, introducing Live Good. And we are going to discuss this very amazing opportunity para po sa inyo. And malay mo, ito na yung opportunity na hinahanap mo or pinipray mo kay Lord. Okay, so what is Live Good? Live Good is a subscription and e-commerce platform with the powerful and high reward affiliate program. Again, ang Live Good po ay with the powerful and high reward affiliate program, and in the past of 8 months, nakapag-generate po ang Live Good ng 600,000 total members. Grabe, no? In just 8 months. So, Live Good po ay nilaunch po ito globally December 13, 2022. It means Live Good po ay very, kumbaga, napakabata pa, no? Very pioneering. Lalo na kung sasabay ka ngayon, ay talagang malaki yung advantage mo once na sumabay ka dito sa pabulusok, no, na opportunity. Okay? So, discuss natin yung mga popular subscription since na ang Live Good is a subscription company, no? Discuss po natin yung mga popular subscription platform. So nandiyan po ang Costco, no? Wholesale company, Netflix, SNR, membership shopping 'yan. And yung pinakabago ngayon is Meta, no? Yung magpapa-verified ka kay Meta. That is subscription. And good news, Live Good po ay isa na rin no sa kasama sa mga subscription company na to, and Live Good ay nagbibigay ng income. Pero itong mga other subscription company or platform na to ay hindi po sila nagbibigay ng kita. Yun po yung advantage natin sa Live Good. Okay, kaya po napakaganda ng Live Good at kaya angat sa iba ang Live Good. Okay, pag-usapan natin ngayon, sino ba yung mga may-ari, no? Our Live Good team, Ben Blinsky, ang ating CEO. Okay, and Nader Kasan is a Director of Network Marketing, and Ryan Goodkin is a Director of Product Development, and Lisa Goodkin naman is a Director of Product Education. So sila po talaga ay expert sa kanilang mga expertise, no, with experience, okay, and profession. At kaya naman napakaganda po ng platform na na-develop nila. At para po talaga sa atin at i-enjoy po natin to. Okay? So, sabi ni Northern Kasan, the director of network marketing, the days of selling overpriced products, a few people at the top of compensation plan can get rich are over. Ibig sabihin po, yung a lot of companies outside na nagbebenta ng mga products overpriced, nagma-mark up ng 70 to 80% yung price ng product, ay over na po yun, no? So, ibig sabihin, talagang tatalunin, no? Talagang possible, no, na kapag sila, no, or yung product nila patuloy pa rin na ganon, no, although na meron namang nagkikip, no, meron namang sumasali sa mga ganon, meron namang bumibili, pero kokonti na lang. And tatalunin talaga siya ng bagong concept, which is ang Live Good, no? So, mamaya pag-usapan natin bakit magandang Live Good at angat tayo sa iba. Okay, so, and we are over 15 life-changing products, no? Napakarami po ng products natin, and lahat po yan is 100% quality and guarantee. And our product is made in the US, and our product is approved or certified by the GMP. And we are lab test, or tayo po ay lab tested for purity and potency. So lahat po ng raw material, raw material at ating mga facilities ay chinecheck po talaga yan at lalo na yung GMP, no? Mahigpit po sila dyan at ang ating mga raw material naman ay lab and tested po yan. At makakasigurado na talagang lahat ng raw material na ginamit is 100% is natural, no? Walang chemical. Kaya ibig sabihin, safe ipasok sa ating katawan, no? So hindi po natin kailangan ng other tawag yan, yung FDA approved kasi po tayo ay hindi naman medicine, tayo po ay food supplement, no, mga tawag yan, natural food, organic food, no. So ingredients, kaya po safe po ang ating products gamitin. And next is our product compare. Tayo po ay napaka-murang produkto. Meron po tayong murang produkto dito sa Livegood. So sa iba, yung Super Beats, no, yung Organifi is around $69 to $39 and our Livegood product Super Reads is $29.95 lang. And the good news, tayo lang po ang kaisa-isahang company na mayroong mga products or health and products na mayroong certificate of analysis na ito po, kung may mga kilala kayong mga mayroong kumbaga a nurse or doctor, no, mga kausap nyo, mga ganon, pakita nyo lang po sa kanila to and sila po alam na nila anong ibig sabihin ng certificate of analysis. And so also we have aminos, ayan, compared sa other company. And alam naman natin, no, napakamamahal talaga ng mga produktong to. And the good news, our product is napakamura, quality na at mura pa. Okay, dito lang po yan sa Livegood. So later on, we will discuss the good news, no? Baka magkakaroon tayo ng tawag yan, office dito or stock of products dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So affiliate shop, dito po magkakaroon ka ng affiliate shop na magagamit mo, no, anytime na mayroong bumili sa iyo, mayroong gustong mag-order ng product, ibibigay mo lang yung shop mo, no? Yan po ay magkakaroon ka ng income. And the good news, Livegood ship products worldwide. And with our powerful landing page, no, ito po ang gagamitin natin to refer other people to join Livegood, no. This is the unique sales page or landing page na gagamitin mo para po ma-enjoy mo yung complan or compensation plan ni Livegood para kumita ka dito kay Livegood. And we have affiliate dashboard. This is your tool para ma-monitor mo yung e-wallet, commission, cash out, referrals, and etc. So dito po yan sa Livegood. And pag-usapan po natin paano po tayo kikita, how to earn as affiliate dito kay Livegood. So meron po tayong 5 ways to earn. Okay? So first is we have weekly fast start commission. So what is weekly fast start commission? So dito po kikita ka po ng 50% each of your referrals sa bawat kapital nila na $49.95. Okay? Ibig sabihin po, no, ito lang yung isa sa company na nakita po natin na nag-offer ng 50% commission sa referral natin. Okay? So, karaniwan kasi or majority kasi sa mga affiliate platform nakikita natin sa labas is around 15 to 20% lang, no? So dito Livegood is offer 50%, no, commission sa referral na ma-refer mo sa platform na to. And dito magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong sales robot, no, nandoon na yung sales video presentation and paano sila magre-register sa system, no? So paano sila magsusubscribe, no? Dito po ay provided na po yan ni Livegood, no? So mayroon kang unique referral link and every time na merong mag-register, merong mag-sign up doon, nagbayad ng $49.95 and good news, kikita ka ng $25,000. Yan. So yun po yung competition natin. Kung meron kang 4 na referrals, no, times $25, meron kang $100 as commission or referral commission or weekly fast start commission. And ito po ay infinite wide or unlimited, walang quota, no? Kahit ilan po pwede mong i-refer, no, dito sa Livegood. Again, 50%, no? Grabe. So, pangalawa, sa weekly pa start commission, meron kang tinatawag na level, no? So dito sa level, from your second level up to 10th level ay meron ka pang additional bonus commission from your second level to 10th level po yan, no? So ibig sabihin, kumita ka na ng 50%, no, sa lahat ng direct referral mo. And the good news from your second level, hindi mo na yan direct na ng direct mo. Indirect mo, ibig sabihin indirect is hindi mo na siya direct, kikita ka pa ng additional bonus. Ganun po kaganda si Live Good, okay? So meron kang kita sa sales or sa benta ng iba. And pangalawa, we have matrix box commission na tinatawag. So dito you can earn up to $16,000 per month, no, with the help of our Powerline automated system. So paano ito nag-work? Dito sa matrix box commission, no, anyone who filling up the form, he will place at the Powerline pre-enrolled. No? At the Powerline pre-enrolled. Ibig sabihin guys is doon sa Power Landing page, no? Pag nag-pre-sign up ka doon, pwede ka maka-reserve ng free temporary account in the Powerline by filling up the form. Okay? So once na mag-reserve ka, mapupunta ka sa Powerline or pre-enrolled, no? At pagdating ng cut-off, no? So ang cut-off po natin is from mula Sabado hanggang Biyernes ng hapon, no? So dapat within that day is makapag activate ka ng account mo para yung position mo is ma-place sa higher position in the matrix. So ibig sabihin, the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. No? Napaka-importante po na makapag-take action ka kaagad, no, once na nag-pre-enroll ka, para once na ma-activate mo ang account mo kaagad before the cut-off Friday, mapupunta yung position mo sa highest position. For example, here, so dito kunwari ikaw ay nag-activate ka agad, no? Out of 100 tao na nag-pre-enroll and ikaw yung naunang nag-take action, nag-activate, no, mapupunta ka sa pinaka-highest position. Hahanapin ni system, ito po ay automated, no? Si system mismo ang mag-place, no, kung saan yung pinaka-highest position in the matrix. Okay? So AI generated po to, no? So you will earn 2.50% of each person under your box or your matrix box, no? So ibig sabihin, each person under your matrix ay kikita ka ng $0.25. O kung meron kang 200 or sabihin natin meron kang 200 tao na sa matrix box mo, so i-times mo yun sa 0.25 cents dollar, yun po yung kikitain mo din sa matrix. And once na mapuno mo yung tinatawag na 2x12 matrix box, ayan po ay total of $2,000 dollar, no? Pwede mong kitain diyan. So sabihin natin 100,000 per month, no? After, ang good news po dito is after month, you know, or every month po yan pwede mong kitain. Once na napuno mo yung matrix box mo, no? So yan po yung napakaganda dito kay Live Good. And pag nag-rank up ka po, no? Kasi pag ixaw ay hindi ka pa, wala ka pang rank dito sa matrix is up to 2x12 po. Kapag ikaw ay nag-rank up, nag-diamond ka, up to 2x50 na po yan or 15th levels deep, no? So ang kikitain mo po dyan is maximum $16,000, no? From $2,000. So sa ating community, mas dinidiscuss po natin yung further para mas maintindihan natin itong matrix. Okay? Napakaganda po niyan, no? So take note, no, dito sa matrix commission, no, reserve your position now para mapunta ka sa highest position. And pangatlo, meron tayong tinatawag na matching bonus. So we are not a binary, wala po ditong pairing bonus. So dito po, you will earn 50% of your personal referrals of their entire commission in the matrix month after month or every month. So dito po, lahat po ng referral mo, lahat po ng direct mo, yan po ay nasa first level mo. Lahat po ng kikitain nila sa matrix, no, matrix box, no? Bawat isa sa atin, 'di ba, mayroong kanya-kanyang matrix na may kikitain. So ibig sabihin lahat ng direct referral mo kapag kumita po yan, for example, si direct number 1 mo ay kumita ng $200, magkano yung 50% mo? $100. Okay? Yung pangalawa mong direct kumita ng $100, magkano yung 50% mo? $50. So ganun po siya nag-work. So the moment mas marami kang direct, mas marami kang 50% sa kanilang metrics, total metrics income nila, okay? Ganun po kaganda yan. At the good news, from your second level up to fifth level, meron ka pang additional bonus commission. No? So, ibig sabihin, kahit hindi mo na yan direct, no? Hindi mo na direct sila, pwede ka pang kumita. No? Additional bonus po yan sa matrix. Alright, so dropshipping commission, pang-apat po natin, you will have your own Livegood shop or e-commerce shop, no? So this is dropshipping, ship worldwide. No, you can earn commission by sharing your Livegood shop link. No, dito mo magkakaroon ka ng link ng shop mo, i-share mo lang po 'yon. And as affiliate of Livegood, anytime one of your referral makes a purchase as a retail customer, you will earn 50% difference between the member's price and the retail price. Okay, so malaki din po yung pwede mong kitain. No? Imagine 50% between the member's price and retail price. So, share nyo po yung napakagandang product ni Livegood and pwede po tayong kumita sa e-commerce platform na to. Alright, so last, mayroon po tayong, but not the least, is Diamond Bonus Pool. Ayan, ano ba yung Diamond Bonus Pool? So, ito, tinatawag ko itong isang parang retirement plan mo dito kay Livegood. And hindi lang month after month, di ba? So, ay hindi lang once after month po ito or every month. No? So, dito po, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equal among all Diamond Rank affiliate and is paid with monthly commission. So, ibig sabihin po, lahat ng sales ng company, yung sales sa ibang bansa, no, sa United States, no, sa Taiwan, no, sa iba't ibang country or all over the world, lahat ng sales na generate ng Livegood, no, yung 2% po noon ay paghati-hatian ng lahat ng Diamond. And sa last na nakita ko kay Coach Fernan sa ating ground upline is around kalahating milyon po yung kinikita ng Diamond Pool dito. And good news, kapag tayo po ay naging Diamond Pool, ang sabi dito, monthly commission yan. Okay? So, kahit wala ka nang ginagawa dyan, once nag-Diamond ka, ay kikita ka ng monthly commission. Diamond Pool pa lang, 500,000. Yung potential or possible na pwede mong kitain. Okay? Ganun po kaganda yan, no? So, how to become an affiliate, no? So na-discuss natin gaano kagandang Livegood, what is products, paano kumita. Ngayon ang tanong, paano sumali? And dito, option number 1 natin, meron tayong dalawang option. Option number 1, register with your sponsor link, pay $40, one-time payment lang po yan, no? And 9.95 monthly subscription. So a total of $49.95 or 2,900 pesos. No? So meron po tayong benefits, enjoy our factory price product, 2 affiliate system, participate in the amazing plan, and we have team support, Facebook ads training, sales script, sales robot, follow-up system, facility training, duplication system, and other tools. So marami po tayong benefits po makukuha kapag po ikaw ay naging member ng Livegood, lalo na sa team natin. Okay? So option number 2, you register with your sponsor link, pay one-time $40. And dito po, pwede kang mag 1 year. No? 1 year po natin is $99.95. So total of $139.95 or 8,120 in peso. So same benefits po, no? So napakaganda po ng team support natin. Kakaroon ka ng Facebook ads training, sales script, sales robot, follow-up system, facility training, or duplication system. Okay, so and we are very kumbaga napaka-init pang news, no? Bagong-bagong news, no? Last day, no, sinabi ng CEO natin na we are also considering setting up the new product shopping center in Philippines, no? To serve our customers and members better. This will make our products more accessible and convenient for all Livegood customers. Napakaganda po ng good news na ito kasi, no, soon magkakaroon po tayo ng Livegood mall or Livegood Centre dito sa Philippines, no? So mas mabilis na nating mabibili ang mga product, factory price product ni Livegood. Alright, so tapos na tayo. We are done. So go ahead, message your sponsor now. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. Alright, so see you in the our community. No. So once again, this is Christian Dilumen. See you.